Hi, I'm Greg from Expert Village, and I'm here to show you how to make some fantastic alcoholic drinks to help you enjoy your holiday season. To make 8 flying reindeer, we need half a lime, some lemon juice, some cayenne pepper, some vodka, some ice, and ginger beer. Begin by slicing the lime into 4 wedges. Add these to a shaker, along with the cayenne pepper, the vodka, and the lemon juice. Add some ice, and give it a shake. And this is going to go really well with all the cream drinks that I've made already. I don't know how many more I can handle. Take the ginger beer and mix with our concoction. And there we are. 8 flying reindeer. Oh, that feels good in the belly.